Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, it's about to be dark, but this is a 4th gen like Odyssey. It's 2011 to 2017. We're going to be changing the PC V valve on it. This thing's got close to 200,000, and this one hasn't ever been changed. But that's the new one from Oriellys. Had my wife pick this one up, so I can't remember the cost of it, but I'll put it in the post or in the video. Alright, it's getting dark out here. It's actually right there. And you can actually get to this and take it out without taking this bar off, but to get a better view of it, I'm going to take this bar off so y'all can see better. Yeah, take this off. It's just got 2 tins. This one. Sorry, hard to hold my phone. So I got both those out. Now you can pull this out of there. Set that on top. Right now, you can see it pretty good. So, all you need to do this is just a simple socket set. Hopefully this one doesn't fall off the car. So you just need 10. I also gotta set this down so I don't fall and hit the ground. So after you break it loose, you should be able to spin it by hand. It's a pretty long bolt. That's how long it is, pretty long. And then you can just twist it back and forth until it pries out. Oh, I dropped my phone. Ooh. You can see how crusty this one is, and actually I just dropped a metal piece that you need. See it down there? But your new one will not come with that piece. So, let's see if I can go grab a magnet real quick to get that. Alright, so I got that out. That's the piece I dropped. But, that's when you grab your new one. This is your new one. This is gonna shut, well, sorry, trying to hold my phone in. Now this is gonna go in through the back side, just like so. And then just put it down there. Hang on, this where y'all can see it. Alright. So you just shove it back in the hole. Push all the way in and then that's your ball stand. That's out. Now we can. So after you get that back in, you can start putting your bracket back on. So my phone will stay up. What you want to do is you want to slide this side in first. Oops. And slide it under. Once you got that, you can put your bolt in. Alrighty. And we'll put your other screw in. That's tight. Slide that back on until it clicks. And that's how you do your PCV. There's the old one. It's in pretty bad shape. But it's pretty simple and quick job. This is something, I don't know, I'd probably charge like 20 bucks to do this. It's a pretty simple job, but let me know what you think.